हांव म्हज्या भुरगेपणांतल्यान एक्सपोजिशन अटेंड करता आनी इनफॅक्ट in 74 I was telling Sandeep Jackie that we had raised around 2.8 lakhs. I was the president of Rotary Club and we had put quality stalls to sell ice cream as a fundraising program. And we earned 2.80 lakhs during the exposition period. Exclusive rights were given to us for selling quality ice cream by Kamruddin Mohan. Now, तेन्नाचो arrangement, आताचो arrangement, there's a vast difference. I found this time the arrangement have been excellent. I have been reading in the paper, today I have seen it also. Whether it is wheelchair people who come on the wheelchair, whether different types of people, old aged people, there is a very systematically planning is done. They have provided e-rickshaw, they have provided buggy, they have provided various types of transport. I must compliment Commissioner Sandeep Jagis and his team under the able guidance of Mr. Alex Sikero, who has been taking keen interest here, and the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is the chairman of this committee. They have handled it in such a nice way that I don't think anybody will have any scope for complaint. Nobody will have any scope for criticism this. Because scopeच काय दवरूना कितें कंप्लेन करवा ताची टीमूय बरी आसा. He has selected a good team of officers who have been doing very good work. Basically तुका heart आसपाक जाय to work for such type of causes. These are good causes. So I am sure Sandeep has he has selected this own team. They have put it in lots of efforts. Because organized corruption is not a joke. 67 lakhs or 68 lakhs people have visited till today, and they expect it to touch 80 lakhs. 80 lakhs people visiting without any this incident or without anything is really a great achievement for the government of India. That's what I feel. I congratulate all the officers and the ministers, chief minister for having really provided excellent opportunity for all the visitors. सगळ्या भक्तांक जे हाका मानतात सेंट फ्रांसिस झेवियराक मानतात ते across the globe आयल्यात. Not only from Goa, not only from India, but across the globe. All of them will go back with the sweet memory that is I am